So, hello everyone. Yeah. So today we are going to cover the it's a series of questions which is a lot of questions are based on this particular concept, correct? So the first question in our series is majority element. Okay. So what is this question majority element? Hi, can you please explain this question? Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you please try to explain this question?
Yes, ma'am. Uh, the question states that when an array is given, we have to return the element that appears more than n by 2 times.
Okay.
And it also states that it is always there. So,
So my first question to you, okay. How many
okay.
elements will be there as per this expectation? How many elements will
There
be
will
there?
be only one because if one element is more than n by 2 times, even if the all other elements are more than n by 2 times, then it can't be more than n by 2 times.
Okay. So suppose this is total n elements, okay? And
Yes.
this is two partitions, equal partitions n by 2 and n by 2. Okay.
Yes.
N by 2, N by 2. Correct? Now,
Yes,
we want an element which is having whose frequency is greater than N by 2. Means
yes,
that element should be covering either this or this plus some extra from the other cloud. Correct?
yes, ma'am.
So there will be only one element possible. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope that's clear to you. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Now they are saying their element will always exist. Means the uh, test cases are in such a way that such an element is existing. Now, so my
Yeah.
question to you is how you're going to solve this question.
Well, we can find the frequency of all the elements of the array and return the one that has more frequency.
Okay. So how you're going to code this like a pseudocode for this, please?
We just iterate through the array
Okay.
and we store the frequency of each of them in a hash map.
Okay, in a hash map. Why hash map?
Hash map because it will be easier to find things in a hash map. It will be
How?
of order one.
How easier? Wait. You just said order of one. What is order of one?
That is, it will take constant time to find the element
Yes, it
required.
will take constant time to search. But which
Yeah.
type of hash map it will be? It will be an unordered map.
Yeah.
I told you earlier, na? So we are having two maps. One is the simple map and one is the unordered map. Correct?
Yes.
I told you.
Yes.
So in the map, it will take log of n only searching. But this
Yeah.
map will take constant. See, this is based on hash map that we discussed in
Yeah.
DSA only. In hash map, searching time is constant, but this is based on tree, where the searching time is log n. Okay,
Yes.
correct, right?
Yes.
So yeah. One benefit is our searching will be constant, correct. And then it will be, you are saying, easier also. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you just compare this with any other method why it's easier? Why it's easier? Can you think
Uh,
of any other method of
Other
storing the
way,
frequency?
well, another way of storing frequency would be we can create another array of
Okay.
size maximum size equals to the maximum element, and each time we find an element, the we can store and we can increase the element by one.
So you are saying, suppose this is the maximum element is 3. So we can create an array
Yeah,
till like
of size 3.
1, 2, 3, like this,
Three,
right?
three, yeah.
Now, what is the
Yeah.
problem with this?
Well, it takes a lot of space for one thing,
And now another
and
problem.
we have
Yeah.
to find the maximum element first and then create an array and again iterate through the array to store the frequency.
Now, suppose this is my array which is having 5 elements, and one of the element is 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh.
Yeah,
Other elements are
yeah,
2, 3, 4, 5.
yeah,
So what will be the size of this array? 1 lakh plus 1, because the counting
yeah,
starts from 0.
yes, yes,
Here the elements are unnecessary. Okay,
yeah,
so that's why our hash map is better. Correct?
yes, yes, ma'am.
You got the exact explanation now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. I'm really proud of you, the way you have, like, you are doing. Like, you are learning and improving. Okay, that's very important. So,
Thank
when
you.
I was in my class 10, okay, okay, so I was taking only maths coaching, and my teacher used to
Mhm.
say me, always say this to yourself. You can do. You will say to yourself now, so you can write here,
Yes,
I can do each and everything. Not immediately. Means it may take time, but I will do definitely.
yes,
Not immediately, but definitely.
but definitely.
Okay. Always trust
Yes,
yourself. Means the way you have improved now. I am 100% confident that you are going to get a good internship. Okay. And a PPO. I'm damn sure.
yes,
And the students should learn from it. I always say my students about you. Okay. So, yeah, let's now. So, yeah, hash that. Correct?
yes, ma'am.
With the time complexity for the hash map. So, what will be the time complexity?
Time complexity will be order of n.
Yes, because you have to iterate. And there will be a space
Yeah.
complexity. What will be the space complexity?
Worst case, it will be order of n.
Very good. Yes, it will be order of n worst case. Every element exists once.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, please give me the pseudocode for this. Please tell me the pseudocode.
Uh,
Let's write this code fastly. Okay? Let's
yeah.
code this fast. Int n is equal to nums dot size. Now, so let's make the hash map. How are we going to make the hash map? Tell me.
Unordered map
Yes, very good.
intending.
Yes. In an interview, many a times students, they know the concept, but they forget. these small things, examples.
Yes.
You can take the name MP. Okay. Yes. Now what we are going to next?
And then we start iterating through the array.
Yes. Start iterating using the loop and I plus plus. Now. Okay. Now what we are going to do?
We just increase the maps element MP of nums of I plus
Is this
plus.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This is correct?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So, is this true?
Is what true?
Like this is correct. Like map initialize the value with the 0. This is based on that.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what should we do? Now what we should
And then
iterate over the map?
yes.
So we just discussed we will be having only one element as the answer. Let's
Yes.
initialize that, okay? Let's just declare that. Now we are
Okay.
going to iterate over the map, correct?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what should I write?
Well, we have to start with a pointer.
Yes, very good.
It should be motivated.
It will be auto, IT, because it's a pointer,
Yeah.
correct? What what it
IT
should point?
equals to
Yes, very good.
the beginning of the map.
Yes, very good.
And it's not equals to end.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you think you are gaining some confidence through this series?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Correct? Am I correct here?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
what should I check? Tell me.
If the iterator's second part is greater than n by 2.
Very good. It should be greater than n by 2. See here, I'm having one question for you. Here we want this floor
Yeah.
and this is a division. Will I get the floor through this?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am, because we're using integer type, we'll get the floor anyways.
Yes, very good. Now, what is this integer type division? So yes, we are having two divisions. One is integer type division and one is float type, correct?
Float type, yes.
Integer type and float type. Very good. These type of things also you should know. Integer type denotes this and float type denotes this, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This we discussed in our C lab, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Right. Now, if IT dot second is greater than means this is our element, we can break.
Yes, ma'am.
Element is equal to
IT
IT dot
first.
first. Very good. See, basically, this map is storing as a pairs. That's why first element, second element, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And we will break it. And in the last, I will just return my element. Yeah. See, here they say there will be always an element. So I don't need to initialize it, as I can initialize it with -1, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now check if everything is correct. It's very important to check before submitting.
Why everything seems well. Ma'am, but if the size of the array, then we are not handling that case.
Which case?
Size of nums is 0. That is, nums is an empty array.
Very good. Then let's check first if that is the case. See here, see, that is not the case. You should check this also. N is nums dot length and
Okay.
N is greater than equal to 1.
Okay.
There will be always at least one element. Okay. See, why that will not be possible? Because they said you will always get one element.
Yes.
Means majority element exists, right? Correct?
Yes.
So is this question correct? You checked it?
Yes.
Shall I submit?
Yeah.
Yes, let's do it. Now what is the mistake? Tell me what is the mistake? See here, the mistake is it is a pointer. It is a pointer. This dot
Oh
we can
yeah.
use for, yes, for pointers. I
Uh,
should use this arrow. That's why I was
yeah.
checking you. You should have told me now. I was just
Yes,
checking
ma'am.
you. You said the pointer.
Yes,
These
yes.
mistakes students do. Okay, please take care.
Mm.
I gave you enough time to figure this. Okay, now this is correct. Okay,
Yes.
but this is not a like a. Can we do better? This is
Optimal
not a
solution.
like a best solution. Can we do better? See, we have to just find out one element now, and that element exists greater than n by 2 times.
Mm.
Suppose this is total elements. The
Mm.
elements frequency is greater than all the
Mm.
elements frequency together. Correct?
Mm. Yes.
Yes. Means this element's frequency should neutralize all other elements frequency. Correct? Still, this frequency should be
Yes,
greater
ma'am.
than 0.
Yeah.
I can use that effect. Suppose,
Right.
suppose this number 3. Now this exists, I will make its frequency 1. Now this is 2. I will neutralize this frequency with this. This will be 0. Now this exists again, I will make this frequency 1. Means this
Mm.
element is existing now also.
Mm.
Means this is my answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
I
if an
get.
element's frequency exists even after neutralizing all others, it's like suppose there are some kind of, this is India and this is Pakistan.
Mm. Mhm.
They are forces. This is India's forces, this is Pakistan's forces.
Mm.
They are popping. But India's force is more.
Mhm.
At the last, India's force is neutralizing Pakistan's force. At the last, people of India will remain because they are more.
Yes. Yes.
That is the concept of this. I give you a hint. Can you think of a solution?
Well, uh, we
Hmm?
can pick one element.
Yes.
Uh, from there, we can start iterating through the array.
Can you tell me
And
the
if
code? I will
that
write. I
is
will write the code, whatever you will say. Let's try something.
okay, okay. So we'll start a loop first. Okay, we'll initialize an integer count first.
Okay. In count is equal to 0.
Yeah, count equals to 0.
Yes.
And we'll start a loop that iterates over the array. For int equals to 0,
Next.
direction uh, in the loop, take the we'll initialize element to the first element. That
Uh,
okay, if count is 0, we'll initialize it to that element.
count is equal to 0. Count is equal to 0 means to say, okay, I will take this, I will start with this element, okay? You want to say this now?
Yes, ma'am.
And then we will initialize. Element will be
Yeah.
nums of I, correct?
Yeah.
What will be the other case if count is not equal to 0?
We'll check if the current element that we are at is equals to the element that we stored before.
Now here, what I
And if
should
it
do
is
is I
equal,
should
we'll increase
initialize.
the.
So, okay,
Yeah.
let's check.
Yeah.
If LE is equal to nums of I, then
Then we increase count by 1.
very good. Else,
We'll decrease the count.
why?
Because we are neutralizing it,
Very
like
good.
you said.
Means like this
If
here.
it's a different thing,
This is one, we are
yeah,
neutralizing. Correct? After
yeah,
neutralizing or also the element which is majority should remain. Correct? Very good.
yeah,
Because the frequency of this majority element is greater than the frequency of all the elements together. Correct?
yeah.
Yes. Very good. Now, I would just want to ask, should I initialize this with any element or not? Is there any need?
No, no,
No need.
no.
Why there is no need?
Because initially we have count to 0.
Very good. Very good.
We'll
That's
assign
what
the
I just.
first element to
Yes.
the.
Yes. Because the count is 0 initially, so we will definitely going into this loop. Very good.
Yes,
That's just I want you to tell. Very good. Okay. So we will be turning the element. Correct? Is this okay?
yes, ma'am. Yeah, yeah.
Now what will be the time complexity here?
Time complexity is still order of n.
What is the space complexity?
Now it's order of 1.
Yes, it's a
Yeah, we're only
constant.
storing count.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
See now, it's much better solution. Very, very good. I hope you learned through this my hint, right? Neutralizing effect.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes.
So, yes, we are done with this question. Now, okay. So, this question is clear, na?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Let's go to this question. Now, this is a series question. Explain me this question.
And it's the same question, but we have to find all the elements that appear more than n by 3 times.
Now, how many elements will be there?
There will be at most 2.
What do you mean by at most 2?
It is possible that there could be only 1,
Okay.
but in case if that's a second element also, a third element is not possible because it will cover more than 2 by n third of the
Okay.
array.
Okay.
The 2
So
elements.
basically, what you want to say is at max, there will be 2 elements. There can be less than 2 also. They have not mentioned the element always exists, so there can be 0, 1, or 2. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, why good? Let me explain. So this is an array which we are dividing into 3 equal areas. The frequency should be greater than, this is n by 3 size, this is n by 3 size, this is n by 3 size. The frequency should be greater than this. Means it will take something from color, basic color. Means it will take something from this thing. Suppose this is this should also be greater than n by 3. It will take something from this. So there will be only 2 elements possible. Nothing will be possible from this. Correct?
Yes.
Now, so since we have already done the question, correct? Here also,
Yes.
non-zero is not accepted. since we already done the majority element, I hope you can. I'm giving a small homework to you. Try the brute force of this yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Try brute force of this. I know you can do it. Okay? So this is your
Okay.
homework question 1. We already did the brute force for that majority element. Correct?
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
let's try a better solution that we just did, that neutralizing one.
Okay.
Can we do the neutralizing one solution on that? Yes, we can do.
Mhm.
Correct. So these are the 3 areas. Suppose it's equal sized.
Mhm.
We can try that neutralizing concept here also.
Mhm.
Now you will help me to write the code, okay?
Okay.
Let's start. Now, what should I write?
I will initiate 2 counts and 2 elements initially.
Okay, suppose count 1 is equal to 0, count 2 is equal to 0, and I will initialize LE1 and LE2. Correct? See,
Yeah.
one very important thing. It's very important to speak right. This is
Yes.
declaration plus initialization. This is only declaring the variable.
Yes, ma'am.
LE1 is declared but not initialized.
Yes.
You understood this difference now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we will be having 2 answers. So let's initialize the vector as it's asked by the questions, okay?
I will. Yes, ma'am.
Now what should I do?
We'll start iterating over the array.
Yes, very good. Now what should I write?
We'll place the first element in element 1 if count is 0.
Count 1 equal to 0. Then I will just make count 1 is equal to 1 and LE1 is equal to nums of I. Am I correct?
Yeah.
As if, what should I do next?
If count 2 is 0,
Count 2 equal to 0.
then
Yes.
we'll put the second number. Yeah.
Very good. Now,
The third case is now if both are assigned, we'll check the present element with both element 1 and element 2.
hmm.
Whichever matches will increase the count of that.
Okay, very good. What will be the last step?
If none of these happens, then we'll decrease both the counts.
Why? Why both?
Because we're neutralizing it from with the help of both of them,
Yes.
we'll decrease both.
Yes. So we are neutralizing. See, what we are saying is, it's like how we can understand is, suppose this is total n and this is n by 3, n by 3. Okay. What you can understand is, I am dividing this from between. And I'm saying that this elements n by 3, these are greater and this will neutralize all the elements here. Similarly for this.
Mhm.
So means these both elements will neutralize this whole elements together.
Yeah.
Correct? And this count of this should be n by 3 greater than 1. This will come here and this will also come here. So they both are acting together. Is this clear? Or if you have any doubt, please tell me, I will explain it.
No, ma'am, it's fine.
It's fine now?
Yes.
Now what should I do?
Then we'll check
What will check?
the. Okay, so now we have to check. We have two elements that might have count greater than n by 3.
Okay.
So we have to iterate over the array again to find the actual counts of those numbers.
Okay. Why
So
this
we
is
start
important?
iterating over the
In
array
the majority element 1, we have not checked. Why we are checking here?
because there it's only one element that we are worrying about.
Correct.
So there we are only uh, neutralizing all the other elements with only one element.
Correct.
So that way we'll only have one element remaining and we don't have to check it because
Correct.
that's the only thing remaining.
Correct. But here we
Here
are
it could
having,
be possible that
yes,
one element could be greater than n by 3 times.
yes,
The other could be less than n by 3 times, but both of them together could be greater than 2n by 3 times.
yes. Very good.
So
Now
that's
let's
why.
check. Let's try. I will count, right? If LE1
Yes.
is equal to nums of I, what I will do?
Count 1 plus plus. Or we have
Count
to
one.
reinitialize count 1 and count 2 to 0.
Yes, very good. Else if LE2 equal to nums of I, count 2 plus plus. Correct? Now we will check. If count 1 is greater than n by 3. Correct?
Yes.
Answer dot push back LE1. Correct?
Yeah.
Here, what should I use? Else, if, or if?
If,
Why?
because you have to check both the cases.
Yes, very good. You remember in the class, I asked you once and you were not able to tell this, and now you know the things. Very good. So this is done. We should return the answer. Please
Yeah.
check this. Is this correct?
I think we have to add some other condition initially in the first loop.
Which condition? See, I
In the
just
first,
checked here. It will be non-zero.
not that, but for suppose I have the array as uh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and something. For suppose 1 and 2 are greater than n by 3.
Okay, you are telling me your case, right? Suppose 1 and
Suppose the case is 1 and 2 are greater than n by 3 somehow.
Is greater than n by 3. Okay.
And the array is something like 1, 2, 3,
Huh?
2, 2, and then something to fulfill the condition of 1 and 1, 2 being greater than n by 3 times.
One should be happening again then.
Yeah.
Then what is the problem?
So in this case, if I see the first condition
Okay.
in the first loop,
Hmm.
we'll assign 1 and 2 initially. And when we get 3, we'll have both counts to 0.
Wait,
Right.
wait. What we are saying? Okay, 1. It will be LE1
Yeah.
is equal to 1. LE2 will be 2. Correct. Now 3
And when we
will
get
neutralize to
3,
0. Both will be, count will, both of will be 0.
0, yeah. When we get 2
2.
again,
2 will come here, LE1.
when we get, yeah, that's what. We're
The
having
count will be
same
1.
element in
The
both
count
the
will be
things.
2. Yes, now.
No,
The
no, no,
count
the
is
count
0
will
now.
not be 2
Wait,
there.
wait, wait. Why? See,
Because,
first
see, the
I
first
am,
condition,
okay. See, first I will be
yeah,
checking this condition. Yes, very good, very good. First I
yeah,
will be checking this condition. It will be here.
yeah,
The count will be 1 here.
yeah,
Correct? Then I
yeah,
will be checking this condition. This is 0. It will be 2.
yeah,
And this will be 1.
yeah.
Yeah, this can happen.
We're
So
assigning the
what
same
we will
element.
what we will do? We will put this condition here
Yeah,
and this
and
condition. Correct?
yeah.
Yes, very good. I was just expecting you to say this test case. You just find out right. Very good. Check rest, everything is okay?
I think so.
Not think so. It should be. Check it.
Okay.
So this conditions, the order of this condition also matter, okay?
Wait. Here, okay, there's nothing. I think it's
Second is
fine.
okay. So
Yeah,
should
I
I
think
should
it's
I
fine now.
submit it? Check it.
Yeah.
See, there's wrong here. Now what's the wrong? Hello everyone. Welcome to exam prep 2. So you are seeing now? You are seeing how she is giving the answers so nicely. Yes. She's a student. She's APT student. Okay. She is being trained by IITians and IITians. She's a student. Correct. So, do you also want to be like her, like a or a better version? So, guidance is very important. Correct. Yes. So, okay. See, she's a student. She's a DSA student. Correct. Yes. See, in a DSA plus system design course, the developers from Microsoft, Google, and Oracle are teaching. That's amazing now. Yes, that's amazing. That's literally amazing. The developers from Google, Microsoft, and Oracle are teaching. That's amazing. That's literally amazing. So, and there is a 70% off going on with my coupon EPT 217 NID. Just go to the exam prep tool website and just do it. Okay? Yes. And we are having GATE CSE also for the Tier 3 students who are having the dream of going to IITs, ISA, or PSUs. We are having GATE CSE. And in all the GATE CSE courses also, you can find the link in our description. And if you will use the coupon EPT 217 NID, you will get 70% off. Very good. That's great. Correct. Yes. Then, if you want the projects, we are having the job ready course for Oracle database. Many companies ask the database, and we are having the web and app development course also. Just use my coupon EPT 217 NID, you will get 70% off. That's great. Yes. Please do it. See, you know how she's answering. You can also be like her, or you can be better than her. Just enroll and just do it. Okay? Yes. I know you can do it. Yes. Just remember, EPT 217 NID. Correct? Yes. You can find the link of the course in the description also. Yes. Just go and start learning today. What are you waiting for? Okay? Complete this series of 30 lectures. You will be solving. Do the homework questions also. Very important. You can do it. Okay? Yes. So let's submit. Wait. We were in majority element 2 now. Yeah. Yeah, there is some
Yes.
error is coming.
Yes.
Suppose this is the case. How many elements are there? 3, 6, 7, 8 elements are there.
Yes.
One is the element whose frequency is greater than n by 3. 8 by 3, 2. Yes.
Yes. So I've been thinking about this, and I think the mistake is if we even consider our previous example, we are
Okay.
still assigning. Uh, okay,
Yes,
we'll
yes,
take
yes.
this example. I don't remember what we were doing, but here, if we are looking at this example, we are assigning the same value as element 2 to element 1. So I think we have to move both the checking cases to the top and then see if count is 0 or not.
Let's try. Wait. Suppose 2 is there, then what will happen?
Yeah.
2 is there.
We'll assign that to
Count
element
1 will
1.
be 1. LE1 will be 2. Correct?
1.
Now
Oh,
1
yeah,
came.
2.
Count 2 will be
Yeah.
1. And LE2 will
1.
be 1.
1.
Now again 1 came. This is
So
not
count
correct.
2 will be 2.
Yes, this is not correct. This is not correct. Yes, this is correct. It will be 2. Now 3 came.
Mhm.
3 came. This is not good. This is
We
not. This is not.
decrement
This is
both of
not.
them.
Decrement. 0 and it will be 1.
Mm.
Correct?
Then
Now we are
when
having 1.
1 comes,
1 comes. Yes. 1 comes.
yeah,
This
the
is
first case
we
is
don't assign.
satisfying, and
Yeah.
we are assigning the same element to both of them.
Correct. So what should we do?
We have to push both of the checking elements, like element 1 is num
Yes,
psi or
this should
element
be
2 is
first,
num
then
psi
these
to the top.
conditions will be there.
Yeah.
Correct.
That will
You know why this is coming? See,
work.
see, when there was only one element in n by 2, now
Yeah.
this condition we won't take care because there will be one element. Now there will be two elements. We have to take care that both the elements should not be same.
Yeah.
Correct? That's why this condition
Yes.
checking will be earlier. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So
But
this is
then
a
if you're
tricky question.
doing that first,
Yes.
We have to assign element 1 and element 2
Yes,
initially.
yes, 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 yes. Yes, very nice. That's important. Earlier also I asked initialization is important here in majority one, correct? Yes,
Yeah,
yes, because we
there
are
we didn't need
comparing
it,
this. It's a
but we'll
cyanide.
initialize it to what?
Let's see. Initialize it to, we have to initialize the element which should not be here. What should we initialize? Minimum element?
Instead of initializing, can't we do it like when we are checking for count is 0, we'll check if the present element is equals to the second element that we have already stored. Okay, either ways, I think we'll have to initialize it.
Yes, initialization is important. What should we initialize? Let's initialize a number which is not in this range. Int, int max or int min.
Into min or into max. Successful.
Correct?
Yes.
Now, what should the condition here? This condition should be upward. Correct?
Yeah, yeah.
This should be else if. And there should be if condition here. If LE1 equal to nums of I. See, this sequencing is very important, you know.
Yes.
Else if LE2 is equal to nums of I, then count to plus. This checking is important. Just we saw the count examples, right? As if, yes, this is okay. Let's just cancel this. Correct. Now let's try.
Yeah.
Accept it. Correct.
Yes.
Now I hope this question is clear. Clear, right?
Yes.
The edge cases are also clear.
Yes.
Okay. Here there are two elements. We should see two should not be having the same value. Now I'm giving you a uh, I'm giving a homework. Okay.
Okay.
You have to write the code if there find all the elements that appear more than n by 4 times.
Okay.
The question is not there.
Yeah.
Okay, but you have to try that question here. You have to write the code. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that will be similar to this. So this is the homework question number 2. You have to write if the element appears more than n by 4 times. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So both of the questions are clear, right?
Yes.
So let's go to our next question of the day. And this is the foursome. So this is the foursome. Now please explain me the question.
We have to find uh, subsets of the array
Subsets,
such that the
correct.
sum is equals to the given target.
Correct. What do you
Subsets
mean
of
by a
size 4,
subset?
quadrat.
Yeah, quadruplets. What is meant by these subsets?
Subset is a set of elements
Hmm.
uh, that are in the array, any set of elements.
Hmm. Means need not be continuous, correct?
Contiguous. Yes.
Yes. It may be continuous, it may not be. Correct, right?
Contiguous.
Now let's see this question. How we can do this question? How can we do this question?
Then
Tell me.
first, the brute force solution would be to check all the possible subarrays.
Using the for loops.
Yeah, for loops.
That is 2 to 2. That solution now. And 4. N to the power 4 now.
Yeah, enter the power of 4.
What will be the better solution?
Better solution. We can firstly sort the array
Okay.
and
Then
um,
then
we'll
sort then
fix two numbers first,
must wait.
and then
Suppose I sorted this.
we can
-2, minus
uh,
1, 0, 0, 1, 2.
yeah,
Now what you are going to do?
and then we can first fix -2, -1 as two
Okay.
elements,
Okay.
and we can find if we can build a sum of +3 to count. Sorry, a target -3
Okay. Hmm. Correct. +3 in the
in
remaining.
the rest of the arrays as the sum of two numbers in the rest of the array.
Okay. Okay. Suppose I get it. Okay. Here can we sort?
Sort what?
Can we sort the numbers?
Yeah, the numbers are sorted, right?
Yes. Suppose here they will ask me the indices.
Okay.
Then I can't sort now.
Yeah.
Here they are asking the quadruplets itself, the number itself. But if they will ask me the indices, then I can't sort.
Yeah.
Correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next.
Yeah, so that's the thing we can do. We can initialize the third element to be the element 0, the first
Hmm.
element of the remaining array,
Oh.
and the other element to be the last element.
Hmm. Yes, very good.
And since the array is sorted for now,
Hmm.
if the sum that we are getting is less than the sum that we need, we'll increase the leftmost pointer to the next element. Pointer in the sense the index that we are using. And if it is
Yes.
greater than the sum, we decrease it.
So basically, are you fixing 3 elements now?
Yeah. No, no, I'm
You're
not fixing three elements. I'm fixing the first and second element.
okay.
I am taking one element low and one element high
This.
in the rest of the array. Yeah, we are moving both of them to find the rest of the sum that fits the present two elements.
Hmm. What will the time complexity?
That would be order of
Because
n
sorting will take
square
n log n.
plus n log n. Yeah, n log n plus order of n square.
You're fixing these two elements.
Yeah. So that's two loops, right?
Hmm.
Every possible pair of two elements we are fixing,
Okay.
and then we are
These
trying
two,
to do.
okay, these are two loops, and then in this you are trying to find out the sum.
Yeah.
It's like a, okay, two elements whose sum is this.
Yeah.
Correct? Correct. Yes,
Yeah.
this is a good solution. From N4, we are going to N square. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the good solution. Let's try this.
Okay.
Tell me, what should I write?
We'll first initialize integer n to be the size of nums.
Yes, nums dot size. Yes,
And then we'll declare four variables. We'll
okay.
call them first, second, third, and fourth.
Okay, I will do the way you will say me. Okay, I declare these four variables.
Okay. And then we'll declare sum.
Sum.
Yeah.
Should I
That's it.
initialize it?
Those are the declarations that we.
Should I initialize the sum?
We don't need to initialize sum.
Okay, we will initialize later then.
Yeah. And then we sort the array.
Okay, let's sort it. Using the inbuilt function now.
Yeah.
Nums dot begin, nums dot end. Yes, sorting is done.
Mhm. And then we'll start a loop where we're fixing the first number. So it will start from 0,
Till n minus
n minus 3,
2,
n minus 3. 3.
n
We need
minus
four
1,
numbers.
n minus 2. Yes, it will be n minus 2. Right. A plus plus. B is equal to
And
A
then
plus
we'll
1
initiate, yeah, a plus 1 and less
because
than n
they won't
minus
be
2.
same now. Very good. Now,
B plus plus. So we'll assign I to be nums of A.
I to be nums of A. Yes. J to be nums of
And
B.
yeah,
Then we will get sum is equal to target minus nums of A, correct? Plus nums of B, correct?
no, 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 no. No, I think we are going to use sum for finding the sum.
Okay,
Or else we'll have to initialize another variable.
okay. So what should I do this?
Or maybe we can use that as we can we can
Let's
name
take
that
another
some.
variable, sum 2.
Yeah.
Now, what should I do?
Okay. So now we'll initialize
K is equal to B
K2
plus 1
plus 1.
and
Yeah.
L is equal to N minus
N
1,
minus 1.
correct? If
Yeah. And we'll start the loop where K is less than L. It's a loop.
while K is less than B,
Yeah,
correct?
while K is less than L. Yeah.
Okay.
While K is less than L, we'll
If,
take sum 2 is equals to
okay, sum 2 is equal to
okay.
nums of K
Uh,
plus nums of L,
yeah.
correct? Now, if
Yep.
Sum 2 is equal to
That
sum.
is,
This is our answer.
yeah,
Okay. We will
yep,
push. Okay. I will make a vector.
we'll push, yeah.
Or should I can push like this also, I guess. Tell me if I can push like this. Answer dot push back. Okay, here.
Yeah, we can do
Nums of
that.
I, nums of j.
We can just push I, J, K, and L
This will
instead of
be
writing them.
indexes. Okay, I can push. Wait, I can push. Correct. I thought it is indexes. I, comma, j,
I,
comma,
J, nums of K and
nums
nums
of
of L.
k and
And nums
nums
of L.
of l. Yes, very good.
And if the sum is less than the target,
Hmm.
less than the
This is
sum,
sorted. Yes, this is sorted. If sum is less, then what we will do?
then we'll increment K.
K. Very good.
Yeah.
Increment k. Because this is sorted. This is
Yes.
sorted. So it will be -2, -1, 0, 0, 1, 2. This is sorted. I will go this way. Increasing order. Sum 2 is less, now I
Yeah.
want more. If it's greater, I will
Yeah.
do this way. Correct?
Yes.
Else L minus minus. Correct? Correct
Yes.
na?
Yeah.
Now, done? Done?
No. After after we are pushing the when sum 2 is equals to sum,
Hmm.
I think we'll have to increment and decrement both the pointers
Okay. Why?
to go to the next case.
Why?
Or else it will go into an infinite loop there.
Why? Because there can be other combination also that's existing.
Yeah.
Is this correct now?
K plus plus semicolon.
No, it's okay. See,
Oh,
semicolon breaks the statement, but comma means it's in a continuation. Semicolon is at last.
okay.
This is okay.
Okay.
Now check the code.
And then we return the answer.
I did it.
Oh yeah, okay, about that. I didn't see it. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it.
Should I submit?
But no, wait, there's one more. See, for suppose we don't have -1 and 1 in the solution itself.
Hmm.
The example we don't have -1 and 1,
Hmm.
and the target is still 0. So
Hmm.
suppose. Uh, okay, what I'm trying to tell is we can get duplicate solutions
Correct.
and we are still pushing that.
Correct. We can get the duplicate solutions. Correct.
Yeah, so
Now,
we
how
have to
to,
add some extra cases.
now what should be the case for that to avoid the duplicate solutions?
So in the first if case, when sum 2 equals to sum,
If sum 2 equal to sum, yes.
when we incremented both, when we incremented and decremented, we write another loop after that for
Okay,
both
tell
the
me.
cases. We write the case that while third is still, I'm sorry, when while k is less, still less than L,
Okay.
and nums of k is equals to nums of k minus 1.
And nums of k is equal to nums of
Nums of
k,
k minus 1
k minus 1.
minus 1
Okay.
will increment third. Okay,
We
sorry, k.
increment k. Right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And similarly, we'll do that for fourth, and we'll decrement
L,
L. Yes.
nums of L is equal to nums of L minus 1.
Plus 1. Plus 1.
Correct. Very good. Because here we already decremented.
Mm.
Correct. L minus minus. Is this okay?
Yeah, I mean, the rest of the cases also we'll have to do that to avoid checking duplicates.
Here I will just add this now.
Yeah, only that part, and the next case will add the second part.
Yes, it's very important to check about duplicates. Very good. While K is less than L and nums of K is equal to nums of K minus 1, K plus plus. While K is less than L and nums of L is equal to
No,
nums
no,
of,
no, 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 no. We don't need all those cases there.
then what we
Oh,
need?
that's where you're writing. Okay, sorry, sorry, sir. Never mind. And your video is a little bit behind, so I thought you were writing both the cases and both the else cases. So
Now it's
sorry.
correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Is
And
it
what is the size of the array?
which L?
No, size of the array. Like, what is the range of size of the array?
1 to 200.
Okay.
1 to
One.
400, 200, yeah.
So if
If size is less
it is
than 4,
possible that it can be less than 4,
yeah, just return answer.
it is an empty array. Yeah.
This can be the edge case. If n is less than 4,
Yeah.
return answer. Correct?
Yes.
Should I sum it up?
Yeah. Okay, this should work.
If there is something
Uh-oh.
something wrong.
Yes, take it, take it, take it.
See, because of this
Yes, still
duplicates
getting.
only.
Okay, I get it. I think here in the
See, these two
thing,
conditions also they should check now.
yeah, yeah,
Correct?
that was.
So after this
Yeah.
also, correct? So this is ending. Now here
Mm.
also we should increment B. While
Yes.
B is less than N minus, where while B is less than N minus 2. B is less than N minus 2. Correct?
Mm.
If, while B is less than, if, what will be the condition? While B is less than N minus 2 and, tell me what will be the condition? And nums of B,
Nums of B is equals to nums of B minus 1.
not B minus 1, because we have not incremented yet. Correct? Here we are
Okay.
incrementing or decrementing earlier. Now we will be incrementing after that.
So we can just write an if condition and we can continue the loop.
You have to increment double now.
If
Now this is equal, see, I'm here, this is my B.
yeah,
Correct?
yeah,
I
that's what I'm
have,
telling you. We can
I've,
write this condition in the first itself, in the beginning of the any in the beginning of whatever
this is
the
okay, this is
thing
okay,
we are doing.
okay, this is okay. Either in the start and suppose in the first iteration I got 2, 2, 2, 2. And then this
Yeah.
B is here. It is not incremented earlier. I will check. If this is same, I will increment it.
Yeah.
Correct?
Or else we'll still have to increment it, right?
It will be incremented earlier also. The condition is same. Or I will look what you will say. Let's take the loop over. Let's try that. We will try both ways. Now here. Correct? What do you want me
Yeah,
to do?
there. Write an if case.
Hmm.
If b is less than n minus 2 and b,
B will be n minus 2 because we have come to this 2. If
yeah, don't need that.
if nums of B is equal
Yes,
to
equals to norms of b minus 1. We'll skip
continue,
that loop. We'll just continue. Yeah.
correct?
Yeah. We also have to consider one more. Yeah, that's what I was about to
Okay,
say.
now it's giving me empty.
It has to be b should be greater than a plus 1 because
Correct.
if they're all twos, yeah, we won't even be considered.
Yes. And B
Best
minus
is
1 and B minus
b
1
is
should
greater
not be
than.
equal to A. Correct?
Yeah.
Still it's taking
The
2.
first case also, there's a loop for A also. Duplicates
Yeah.
for A.
What should I do here?
Same if nums of A is equals to nums of A minus 1 and A is greater than 0.
See here, I should take it A greater than 0 earlier because A minus 1 it will detect A
Yeah, error.
nums of
Yeah.
minus 1, correct? A should be greater than 0 and continue. Correct? Correct, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Runtime error is here. Sometimes something wrong. Sum is equal to target minus nums of A plus nums of B. Okay. It should be long.
Okay.
Let me take this sums. It's just the, it is greater than the boundary, right? Long sum, comma, sum. The maximum integer I can store in int na, it is greater than that. Now also same thing I'm getting. The runtime error signed integer overflow. How should we get rid of this? Wait.
Runtime error.
Yes, this is a runtime error.
And we can add some base cases like if nums of n equals, sorry, when n is 4, n is
Hmm.
equals to 4, we can
See,
just add all
basically what
the
we should is, see,
elements.
what is happening is this nums of A plus nums of B.
Yeah.
This is exceeding. This is target is integer. This is exceeding.
Yeah. Yeah. So we'll change target.
No, we can just, what we can do is typecasting.
Yeah. Okay. But nums of A and nums of B are integer type only, no?
That's what I'm saying.
Hmm?
Okay, what we can do is target minus nums of A. Correct? Sum is equal to target minus nums of B. Is this correct? Can I do this?
Sum equals to sum minus nums of D.
Yes. Correct. Let's try. Correct.
Yeah.
So basically what was happening is in the statement, sum is equal to target minus this. This addition is exceeding the amount I can store in an integer. So what I did is from the target, I just subtracted this and then my target is reduced. Then from the subtracted, I am reducing B. Correct na? I hope this question is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear na? You got the clarity about this question na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So your homework is to do these questions, two sum and three sum. Okay. Try these two questions. So you are having 4 homeworks. Okay. Try
Okay.
nicely. You are doing very nicely. Try nicely. Okay.
Okay.
You are doing a good job. Try nice.
Okay.
Yes. So we will meet tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then. I hope you understood and you enjoyed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Same to you. Yes, you can just discontinue. Yeah. You can log out.
Okay.
So, hello, my dear students. So, as you see, our student. So, the person, she is our EPT student. She was speaking, she is our EPT student. Okay. So, she is our EPT student. She has enrolled in our DSA course. Like, she is our very good student in the classes. She learned so nicely that she is doing today. So from our students, we are choosing some students so that they can help us. They can help you also to learn better. They are also having some queries. You are having queries. So you will learn this way, okay? Correct. Now, she's doing great. Okay. She is EPT student doing great. See, corner cases is very important. She's a DSA student. I hope if you also want to learn like her, please don't delay. Please don't delay. Okay? Please don't delay. Today also we are providing 70% off. See, we are having 70% off on our DSA plus system design course. Correct? We are having 70% off. Use my coupon EPT217NIT and we are having 70% off on our courses. Please do enroll. Okay? Yes. And if anyone we are having some development courses where you can enroll. 70% off is going on. Don't don't waste time. Enroll now and get ready. Okay? Yes.